Alright, so there's a screw. Once you have the window up, make sure you have your window up. Let's see if I can get this. It's right in there. Where is it? It's right there. Sure. It's right in there. There it is right there. So what you have to do is hopefully you have small fingers and hand. There it is right there. You have to crane your hand from the inside this hole with a small ratchet. Get that loose. Get these two screws loose. Right there. Where are they? There they are right there. And I don't even think you have to disconnect that lock. That's the back doors. But put it back and you're done.